Here it is. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Got it yesterday. The inside's gutted. We're going to rebuild the inside. Going to replace all the gaskets. The glass is all good in it. Let's get two brand new fenders. Just got a rebuilt 403. We're going to find out what all is entailed in that. Got a Holley 650 and a Edelbrock 650 and an Edelbrock Premier 350 intake. Got an electric fan, new radiator, new bumpers. And check it off the tires. First thing I did yesterday. The body's here complete. Has some more metal work done. Those drums need to go. Some of the trunks have been welded. I have to do some more metal work. Nothing bad. If I can get it running, I can get it to a shop. These are all the parts that were in it. Back seat. And some board probes in it. New tail lights, bumper. We'll replace the gas tank, which is under there, right there. A short neck on it, as they come out the back. You have to look at the shocks. All the suspension's going to have to be replaced. We're going to get there. This is chapter 1, introduction. Back glass is in the Jeep. It's all here though.